Hey guys, it's Craz-E Coupons. Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video we have a Runnn glitch at Walgreens. So before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, please consider doing so, and while you're at it, do me a huge favor. Hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below, because those are two quick, easy, and free ways that y'all can help support this channel. And then take a second to share the video. Alright guys, first up, before we get into this Runnn glitch, I have already uploaded a ton of other videos for you all this week, so if you missed out on anything, make sure that you go and check them out. I'm going to have them all linked and listed for you in the pinned comment down below. Now, I also want to point out that I have already uploaded one other Walgreens video for you all this week, and that is very important because you may want to go back and watch that if you haven't already, or you may want to go back and watch that to see which deal that I did, because for this Runnn glitch, I actually did the exact same deal as I showed you all in that video. But with this glitch, it gets even better. Now, basically, with this Runnn glitch, what's happening is that we have two digital spin boosters that are stacking together. So, if you guys watched my previous video, here is the spin booster that I used on that deal. And I only used it on one account because I was planning on going back later on in the week anyways. And it worked out to be an even better deal because then we had this second spin booster pop up on our accounts. But let's pay attention to the dates. So on this first one, you can see that this spin booster is valid from January the 22nd through January the 28th. Then we had this new spin booster pop up, and I clipped it to my account thinking that it was a spin booster for next week. However, if you take a look at the dates, it says offer valid January the 26th through February the 1st. Now, I do have to stop right here and say I want to give a big shout out and a huge thank you to Michelle from My Own Identity. She has her YouTube channel and she covers all the things going on at Walgreens. So if you guys are not already subscribed to her YouTube channel, you need to go and hit that subscribe button, turn on those notification bells, hit the thumbs up, go through, watch all of their videos, because she is an amazing, amazing teacher. And she was the one that gave me the heads up on this deal yesterday evening. So thank you so much, Michelle, and like I said, all of her information will be linked for you in the pinned comment down below. So as soon as she sent me that message, I was just like, go, go, go. I had to get the kids fed. I had to get things taken care of here at the house. I had to figure out which deal that I wanted to do. Do I want to do an in-store deal? Do I want to do it as a pickup order? I was calling one of my couponing friends like, what should I do? Da, da, da. Anyways, I finally figured it out. My store does close at 9 p.m. It's not a 24-hour store. So I was literally walking out of there at 8:50 p.m. last night. Now, I do want to tell you guys two things. If you all want to do this deal in store and stack it with a paper spin booster, you can definitely do that as well. As to my knowledge, this glitch is still working this morning, all right? So if you have a paper spin booster, I would just go in store and do it that way. That way you're getting more Walgreens cash back. However, I did not have a paper spin booster, so I just ended up doing a quick and easy pickup order. Now, the second thing that I want to tell you all is that while I was chatting with my couponing buddy yesterday evening, we were going through the coupons, we were trying to come up with a deal, and we were looking at the new sneak peek coupons, and we started to notice that the valid start date on a lot of those was January the 26th, and we were just like, oh my gosh, this could turn into a huge moneymaker, because we had new Garnier IVC coupons, we had new Scott IVC coupons, and the list goes on and on and on. However, literally right before our eyes, Walgreens was already changing those dates and pushing them back to January the 29th. So I say that just to kind of get you guys in gear. This is definitely a Runnn glitch deal. They could pull that booster at any time. They could go into the system and change the dates. But as of right now, I just checked my second account, and that new spin booster is still on there. And since this is a Runnn glitch and it could change at any time, I want you guys to make sure before you go up to the register, open up your Walgreens app and double check to make sure that both of those boosters are still there, all right? Or if you're doing a pickup order, open up your Walgreens app before you go and pick up that order and make sure that both of those boosters are still there. So I'm going to go ahead and show you all the items that I picked up. And again, I did this as a pickup order. So again, it's basically the same exact deal that I showed you all in Wednesday's video. Throw in one of the Schick Hydro women's razors at $9.99, one of the Schick Hydro men's razors at $9.99, one of the Schick disposable razors at $6.99, 2 of the Colgate products. I threw in the mouthwash and the toothpaste. Then I also threw in 2 of the Garnier Fructis products and 3 of the Hallmark greeting cards. So here's a look at all the items that you're going to pick up, and then you're going to see a list of coupons here in just a second. And also, if you do this as a pickup order, make sure that you go ahead and use the code NEW10, and that's going to take off an additional 76 cents. So that's going to put your subtotal at $52.60. But we have $27 worth of manufacturer coupons being applied to this transaction. And with the Walgreens system, they look at those manufacturer coupons just like you're paying cash out of pocket. So that $27 worth of coupons helped me hit my spend threshold of $25. So then I was able to use $20 in Walgreens cash, and I just paid the rest out of pocket, which worked out to be about $5 plus tax. Now, in my original deal, I got back a total of $19 in Walgreens cash. But with that second spend booster stacking and working together, I earned back a total of $26.38. So that is $6 in Walgreens cash coming back for that first booster, $7 in Walgreens cash coming back for the second booster, $4 in Walgreens cash back coming back for the Garnier deal, $4 back for the Colgate, and $5 back for that spin deal on the Schick razors. So huge money making deal, amazing deal. And if you guys want to do this in store with a paper booster, I mean, you guys are going to be making huge money today. So get on your running shoes, grab your car keys and your phone, and head on out to your Walgreens. Now, I also want to go ahead and give you all a heads up for next week, because I just checked my account and I have 3 new spin boosters, and hopefully I can come up with a really good deal where all 3 of those stack and work together. But check it out. I just received this earn $7 in Walgreens cash rewards when I spend $25 on beauty and personal care. Then I also have this earn $10 in Walgreens cash rewards when I spend $30 on cold, cough, pain, and pediatrics products. Then I also received this regular spin booster for earn $10 in Walgreens cash rewards when I spend $50. So fingers crossed that we can come up with a really amazing deal where all 3 of these boosters stack together. But you guys double check your accounts and let me know, what did you receive on your accounts? Let me know down in the comment section below. Alright guys, so that is going to be it for me for now. If you all try out this deal, please come back and let me know how it all worked out for you down in the comment section below. And y'all, I am not even gonna lie. This has been a crazy week, jam-packed full of deals between Dollar General and Walgreens. I have ran and worked my tail off this week. So I kind of feel like I just need to lay down and take a nap. But at the same time, I already have more deals to share with you all and more videos to put together. And if this week was any kind of indication as to what we're looking at for next week, it is going to be another crazy week, jam-packed full of deals. So before you go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Make sure that you have your notifications turned on and set them to all. And while you're at it, do your girl a huge favor. Hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below. And then go ahead and hit that share button as well. It's right down below this video, and share this video out in a text message or an email. Even if you just share it to yourself, it really does help me out, guys. Alright, thank you all so much for watching. I hope you all have a wonderful day, and I will see you on the next one.